Hey, ever looked at your File Explorer and thought, man, this looks kind of boring? Well, what if I told you you can make it transparent? Yeah, we're about to give it that sleek, futuristic look, and it's super easy. So, let's get right into it. First, head over to the link in the pinned comment. It'll take you to archive.org. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll see two download options. We're keeping it simple, so click on Zip to download the app. Once the download is finished, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click Extract the contents anywhere you like. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see a .exe file. This is the magic file that makes everything work. Before running it, copy this .exe file and paste it into your startup folder. This makes sure the app runs automatically every time you turn on your PC. To do this, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type Shell, Startup, and hit Enter. Paste the .exe file inside this folder. Now, double-click the .exe file to launch it. All right, now let's tweak a few settings to make everything look perfect. Click on the small arrow in the bottom right of your taskbar near the clock. Find the app's icon and open it. Next, we need to edit a configuration file. Go to Documents. Find the file named transparent.lim and open it with Notepad. Change the values exactly like I do in the video. This part depends on your preferred transparency level. Now, go back to the app. Change the specific value in the settings. Activate this option. Click OK. You now have a transparent File Explorer. And that's it. Simple, fast, and now your File Explorer looks 10 times cooler. If this helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more cool Windows customization tricks. See you in the next one.